I used to look up much, had enough trouble down your soul. Pickney fi feed and rent fi find, Babylon keep me head down low. But something start fi draw me home, past midnight, past the gate. Cold rolling off the hillside, and me standing there and wait. Just silence, wide and deep, no cricket and no dart, just me and the darkness and one light through the fog. One eye in the sky, moving through the black alone, pulsing like it breathing, like it always known. One eye in the sky, arching slow and sure, we stand there in the darkness, never feel so small, so pure. First one catch me looking up, me nearly turn away. But something in the movement wrong, no craft move that away. Nah, blinking like an aircraft, not drifting like balloon, just arching through the upper block beneath the cut time home. Then another follow through, same mark, same patient glow, like two of them was walking to a place only them know. Me mouth gone dry, me feet gone still, just a man in a him yard at the bottom of the hill. One eye in the sky, moving through the black alone, pulsing like it breathing, like it always known. One eye in the sky, arching slow and sure, me stand there in the darkness, never feel so small, so pure. We think about the old ones who never need a book, just open eye and open sky and knowing where to look. Something in the watching tell them what was real, long before the telescope, long before the deal. Me think about me Pickney, sleeping through the night, what them going wake up into beneath the same strange light. Maybe this old world has lost as it appear, maybe something patient been circling right here. Me not tell the neighbors, them look at me strange already, but every night me find myself out here, still and ready, watching for the arching light, listening for the pulse, something moving through the sky beyond what we was told. The monks them ring them bells across the far water deep, chanting to the same dark sky while the waking world asleep. Same sky above them altar, same yard, same hill, same me, same light that I